Jump in the van and travel the land to catch the raddest local bands. Hopefully, Gigwatch!
You may recognize this wall from the birth of this show. That's right, we're at Rumours. Let's go see some people and have a good time.
Dude, it's a Saturday evening and I see black clothes and long hair and hear loud music.
What brings you to Rumours on a Saturday evening?
Well, basically we ran out of booze where we were.
That's basically why we're here. We're not here to watch the gig at all.
I don't even know who's playing. I really don't.
I'm sitting with one half of Death Pegasus. Here we have the lovely lads of Displeased Disfigurement. We found Spectral Realm. How's it for you? Was this your first show?
First show of this year. Brilliant. It was one of the best shows we played at Rumours. Really enjoyed it. Cool bands tonight, The Drift, Instrumental, man. Those guys, to top that is hard.
I agree with you. Is this like what was the greatest thing of 2013 for you guys?
In the Vaughan battle was awesome.
The Wacken final at Arcade Empire, it was amazing.
Definitely just getting out there and gigging, like getting everything done, getting the album sorted, and just everything just came together for us basically.
We brought our album out last year, Extermination Process. You guys can check it out on Bandcamp. It's for free download.
It's free for all you bums, otherwise buy it. Now what is happening with you guys for 2014? What can we expect?
A lot more shows.
Maybe a tour to Australia, along with the band Bleeding Storm, our other band.
And we're looking at like just replacing tracks as we play. Just taking out some old tracks, putting in some new tracks.
Got an album, busy with the album now.
New material coming soon, hopefully.
Say mid-year, end of the year, should be released. Really looking forward to that.
I want to go louder, harder and faster.
Well, we wish you guys the best of luck. A high five to you guys. We'll see you guys at your next show. Thanks so much guys for joining us on Gigwatch. You guys had a sick show. Stay cool. Are you okay with the blue hair, Mom? What a legend. What brings you to Rumours tonight with such a luscious and seductive look on your face?
We're here for the Drift.
Just want to stroke the bunny. We get that a lot.
I will not stroke the bunny because I have better things to stroke.
It's been your first gig for the year.
We've been here like all year.
But like, what was the first gig you went to in 2014?
Okay, yeah, this would be the first one then, yes.
Awesome, that's a great answer.
Is this the penis? What was that, a double dick?
We support the gay culture of South Africa. So if you ever have gigs, come talk to us.
Two in the pink, one in the stink.
Obviously, being an amazing internet personality, I have a lot of stalkers, and here is one of them. How are you this evening?
I'm good.
You guys were headbanging more than most people in this whole crowd, which I'm very proud of. What are you most looking forward to in 2014?
More black metal.
More black metal. No pun. There's a go-go dancer! Is this your day job?
No, it isn't. I'm a beautician.
Could you like sponsor the Gigwatch crew for like a back sack and crack wax?
I've done 3 of those in my life. I don't do them anymore. I pity the men too much.
Why not?
They always cry.
You had a great show. You look fantastic. You let me sit on your lap, so I'm very happy.
Hi, I'm Tegan Thomas, and you're watching Gigwatch. You're watching Gigwatch. Hey, you're watching Gigwatch. Woo!
We're Death Pegasus and we're watching Gigwatch.
You're watching Gigwatch.
We are Displeased Disfigurement and you're watching
Gigwatch!
Hey, you're watching Gigwatch.
We are fucking around and you are watching Gigwatch!
Thanks for watching Gigwatch.